Okay, here we are, February 2021. I think it's been a little bit more than a year since we've started the project. So I've actually arrived a few days ago and prepped for this video a little bit, just tidied up a little bit. But mainly since last time, we got the countertops in, which I'll show you later, and we've done a lot of repairs. So this blue paint, blue wall has been repainted. Not much in the bathroom. I mean, you can see that, it's just being used, I guess. It's just in use, by myself. And, the small bedroom, not much has changed there. I think just some touch-up painting has been done. Oh, the stickers on the windows were taken away. That's right. There was that was also a big. There was all this labeling on the windows, and it was really sticky and hard to get off. But Yuri, the head repairman, I think organized to get that done. The balconies were repaired. The railings were removed to put in this glass, and a lot of paint and plaster was taken away in the process. But that's all been put back. So yeah, everything looks really good here. Everything was repainted. The building company had some of this matching brown paint that they gave us for repairs, and then the electrical is all done. We'll get some outdoor lighting in the summer when it's, we're in the middle of a snowstorm now. I don't know if you can see it. All the windows are fogged up, but you can see this is Ukraine in the winter. It's not all that different than northern Norway. It's like 4 hours south by plane, and it's still, the weather isn't all that different. Crazy but true. So yeah, then we have another closet, as I've discussed before, will come here as well. The closets need CAD design. So yeah, then here in the small bedroom, not much in the small bedroom has changed. So yeah, you can see this snowstorm. Man, I don't know, the snow is not getting picked up on the video, I think, but it's really thick out there. I've never seen it like this down here. I've always seen it like that in Chicago and Minnesota. We got the intercom, or domophone as they call it, to let people in. The video one, the white colored video one, wasn't in stock, and I didn't want to wait, so I just got the audio one. I think that's all you need for now. You can upgrade later. They had one with an Android phone that was over 300 euros, where you can let people in using an app on your phone, but I don't think that's necessary. So you can see here the windows have been cleaned up. All that labeling is taken away. And then this balcony has been repaired. Probably just have some debris here that'll have to be taken away, dealt with at some point when it warms up a little bit, but it's not bothering anything. And yeah, we have a light switch here and a power outlet here. So, and then, another wire here for outdoor lighting. So we're doing good. They painted the gas pipe, so it's concealing better. It's behind that molding, but it's good. I'm glad that some Navy ship gray or haze gray and underway look is gone. The sofa is still under wraps. Curtains were supposed to come today, but that's a little impossible with the weather, so it'll be next visit. But the countertops are in, so we have, yeah, everything is done here. We can see I got some oranges, and that's a banana holder. I don't have any bananas. I have to go to the market for that. But yeah, you can see that I've got my Nordic track set up. But yeah, you can see the kitchen here. Yeah, it's really turned out nice. The kitchen has really, really turned out well. And we got the refrigerator is working. So yeah, that's working. What's strange is the freezer doesn't have a light. Strange but true that the freezer doesn't light up when you open the door. And I looked, and it's no light. But what I'm doing is I'm putting bottles of frozen water in there to save some energy. It's one of those life hacks. The less the motor is on, the more energy you save, and the longer your appliance lasts. So that's a good thing to do here. But Yeah, I have to say that this is Corian, DuPont Corian countertop and backsplash. It turned out really, really well. I was a little bit kind of nervous about it, but Yarina just insisted that we go with this, and it's looking really good. The wood, well, the ceramic wood floors look good. It's still, we're kind of in a moving in phase, but it's getting more and more to be a home. This cabinet here is coming, I think, in the next 2 weeks. TV cabinet and everything. And these are just pieces for the curtains that are going to come whenever when it stops snowing, which I don't know when that'll be. But yeah, this is where we are as of February. Imagine, once this cabinet is done, then all this construction mess and everything can go away, and then it's just waiting for those other cabinets. But it'll be more or less, it'll be all 100% living in there, and then things will be getting done slowly, hanging mirrors, hanging pictures, and all of this little things that you do little by little. But yes, yeah, it's surprisingly went smoothly. I mean, it took a long time, but the quality, I have to say, the quality of the work is really good. It's the workmanship is really good here, and things are getting done. People are asking how much a renovation like this costs. I think you should budget between $500 and $700 a square meter, depending on how you want to go. For me, I put in some money into this because, in Norway where I live, doing a renovation like this would just be impossible, even if you had Bill Gates money. It's crazy expensive over there. So in Ukraine, your money goes far. The labor is not so bad, and that's usually the biggest component of renovations in Western countries is the labor. So mostly you're paying for materials here, which I'm quite okay with. So it's it's like a nice little home away from home, I suppose. And it's all paid off. You can buy a place here all paid off. You don't have to have a 40-year mortgage. So that's something to consider too. And you'll get this back. If I decide to sell this place, all the money will come back. I mean, there will definitely be a buyer for a place like this. So I'm not afraid to invest into it. But I think I'm here to stay. I really like it. So yeah, it's just probably need to add some more lighting elements. Lighting is need a little bit more light, not too much more, but I think 2 more lighting elements will do it. Anyway, I'll be back next month, and hopefully there'll be a little bit more to show with the cabinetry and the shelves and the curtains. So, have a nice day and enjoy the snowstorm if you're in Lviv.